Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss dull skin, toxic accumulation, and lungs. At, at the first thought, people would say that dull and gloomy skin color is due to anemia, which may be one of the reasons. Undesirable skin is also likely to be related with lungs. If there is toxin in lungs, with their functions affected, the skin may be dull with acne, which may also be accompanied by hair loss. According to the theories of Chinese medicine, lungs are associated with the skin and hair. The so-called skin and hair are mentioned in a quite macrocosmic manner, which are roughly equivalent to skin, hair, sweat glands, glandula sebaceous, and fingernails with functions of secreting sweat, adjusting breath, and resisting intrusion of harmful elements from outside. Through diffusion, lungs spread vital energy and blood all over the body to nourish the skin, hair, and muscles, as well as maintain the normal physiological functions of the hair and skin. The skin of people with energetic lungs looks soft, smooth, and elastic. Since lungs relate to outside environment, the air in, breathed in would be exchanged in lungs so that various germs from outside would have close contact with lungs. People are likely to be infected if they happen to be weak. Such infection would reduce lung functions and lead to weakness of vital energy in lungs. So the lungs would be weak in spreading vital energy and blood to the skin and hair. Without the nourishment, skin and hair would appear dull, leading to a darkened tone and the hair loss. Therefore, if the skin is found problematic, one should think about whether it is the problem with the lungs rather than only rely on applying medicinal ointments or going for beauty treatments. Gua sha expels toxin and enhances lung functions. All internal organs are closely associated with main and collateral channels. Therefore, adjusting main and collateral channels serves to adjust inner organs. It is difficult to direct stimulate lungs since they are inside the body. However, some main and collateral channels related to them are tangible on the skin. Scraping the acupoints of related channels can expel body toxins, that is, toxin that blocks the circulation of vital energy and blood and affects the exchange between nutrients and metabolites, leading to disease in human tissues and organs. Such expulsion serves to expel toxin in lungs and enhance lung function. In terms of adjusting lungs, gua sha can be usually conducted along the lung channel. Since lungs match with large intestines in functions, acupoints related to the channel of large intestines can be chosen in a coordination, which can achieve better results. For patients suffering from anemia, acupoints related to the liver channel can be scraped. Thank you for your attention.